Hey guys, today's video I'm gonna talk about our new tool and I'm super excited because you do not need any ChatGPT subscriptions to access it. You can just use it as a standalone app. So you go to copilot.us, you can scroll a little bit down and you can see all the tools that we've created so far. Also, there is a handy categorization tool on the top. However, our today's tool is the first one, AI Summarizer. So once you click on that, you can see that again, that is a standalone app. So you do not need any ChatGPT subscription to get all the benefits and features out of that. There is also like short descriptions and videos, so you can get a little bit more about this tool and its features. Once we open the app, we actually are ready to start. So the first thing that you're going to see is the screen, which is divided into three sections. The left section is basically the text that we're going to summarize. As you can infer from the context and the name of the app, it is to summarize different bits of content. So here we can input the information in three ways. It's either copy and paste the text, it's providing the link to the text for article, for example, or uploading the file with the text that we want to summarize. After that, we can choose whether we want to have it as a paragraph or bullet points. It depends on the objectives you have. Then we can select the summary length that can be either with a roller right here or custom if you need, for example, like 500 words for your school essay. And on the right, you will see the summarized text, and on the bottom of the screen, you can add additional prompts, like for example, summarize the key arguments and conclusions. So if you have something more particular in your mind, you can prompt everything in the part of the down of the page. So let's get started with a few examples so we can actually get the practical experience of how everything is working. The first example that I'm going to have is going to be a random article from Wired. I just going to copy the link to the article and paste it to the left side of our page, and you can see in a few moments it extracted all the text. So then, as I mentioned before, I can play around with a few settings right here. First of all, I do think I want to have it as a paragraph, just my personal preference for this particular example. And what I want to do is to have it as short as possible, because since it's going to be the paragraph, that could be a little bit chunky, so I want to have the text as short as possible so I can get the idea across right away. Once you're sure about all the settings right here, I think that my article is not as complex to provide some particular prompts. I just gonna press summarize. In a few seconds, they're gonna be the text, which is just literally two sentences, 50 words. After that, what I can do is either copy the text or download it if that is something longer, for example, and I want to save it later. Or if you change your mind and you're not really happy with the summary that you've received, you can always change the settings and then re-summarize it. And again, just a few seconds and you're gonna receive the new result. After that, I think I want also to show you another example. So what I'm gonna do is just delete what we have so far, click yes, so everything is refreshed. I'm gonna go to the second example. Here you can see that is a file with a text, so I can proceed with two approaches, either just copy and paste everything or download the file and upload it. Just for me, my personal preference, I think I'm gonna copy and paste it, just seems easier. And since it is a pretty chunky text, I want to have bullet points. But what I want to do is have it long. Again, it is possible to have it custom. And for example, let's say 200 words. Actually, let's go with this particular version of that because I have a little bit more control over that. So the result will be under 200 words. Once I'm ready with all the settings that I've just put, I'm gonna click summarize, and after that you can see the result. Again, you can either copy that or download the file and save it for later, or in case you change your mind and you actually want it much shorter, we can input the new setting information and then re-summarize that. As you can see, it worked right away. I really hope this is super easy tutorial to follow for you. In case you have any issues and you want to make sure that everything is working smoothly for you, feel free to contact our support team. There's going to be also a link to a new service that we provide. You can text us the feature that you're liking or even the new product, and our technical team is going to be on that in order to develop the best technical solution for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.